Hi, Lindsay. 13 weeks in back arching. Well, what's starting to happen is that she should not be going where the eyes separate from the back. So in her case, it's not like she's stuck in back arching, but at the same time too, she's trying to do all her movements through the head. And that's not right. I don't see, so when she goes to what she should be rolling over by now at 13 weeks. And so, but what she's doing is she's got a bit of a tuck through her pelvis. And again, you've got a tuck in the arm, which is, it is noticeable. That being said, right now, you're not going to get sent up to a doctor to look at that for a while. Doesn't matter, guys, if you had healthy or not. You know what I mean? You're noting things that are different, and you need answers on them, and that's what you're here for. So I would really start again on the tummy course with her, or maybe just jump into the rolling. You mentioned she does do tummy time, but I don't see it. I think her tummy time, she's going to be heavy in the head, and she might roll out of tummy time through the head versus through her back. And so you might want to look at that closely. If you feel you get the course, you don't need it, just go on to the next. We can refund it. That's not a problem. Or jump into the rolling over course. But I wouldn't let her eyes are getting more superior than her movement and her spine, and they're taking off and separating from her body. And that's what I don't want to happen. Everything right now should be synchronized. You should never see a child's eyes at that age go away from the body. When they go to move, the body goes with it, and that's what creates rolling over. When the eyes can separate, then we start getting a little bit in trouble, and you're catching it soon enough. If your child's eating and pooing and sleeping, and and it's got a good face, pretty, right now you're going to slip through the cracks. You're not going to get the answers that you need. And the new U.S. guidelines is no review for development until 9 months, which is a travesty. But you're in the right place. I would act as if something's going on, newborn movement assessment, and then go into, like I said, the rolling over course. Or if you feel better, foundation tummy time, and go from there. But I would get on it, because she's just going to get stuck. And you don't need a stuck baby, right? The babies need movement, and that's why you're here for. And you should get answers, you know what I mean? But if someone doesn't know how to give an answer, those people need to uncle up and say, listen, I'm really not sure. We need to check this, versus saying they don't evaluate your child and they say everything's fine. So it's not a mom gut. Your intelligence is showing through, and you're doing it. And that's what I would recommend. So thanks.